everybody, this is David Spade. Hold for applause. You know, I seem like a mild-mannered guy, but a lot of things irk me. Here's a few. Hey, everyone's sneezing and coughing on the plane. Stop it. I can't deal with it. I freak out. I hit the button. Boom, boom. Where's the air marshal? Honestly, enough talking about pizza and pictures of pizza every day on my feed. We all like pizza, yes. Move on. New subject. By the way, when did the Met Ball, the elegant Met Ball, turn into Coachella? I saw it this year. I don't need to see everyone squat. It's supposed to be a nice event. Jesus Christ, is it Tiger Beat magazine? If I'm invited to a party and I hear the word shuttle bus, I'm out.